toot-toot train, chugging along down the sunny lane. Steam puffing out, wheels go round. Listen closely to the happy sound. Toot-toot, hear the whistle blow. A little train is ready to go. Red engine shining bright and new, carrying friends, both me and you. First comes the firefighter, brave and strong, helping everyone, singing a song. He sprays the water, saves the day. Flames go away. Hooray! Hooray! Policeman rides in the next bright car, guiding the traffic near and far. He waves hello, keeps us safe, smiling wide, never in a haste. Doctor follows in a shiny white car, helping babies with a kind heart. Checks your tummy, your toes, your head, gives gentle care before bed. Nurse joins in with a happy cheer, making sure all the kids are near. She hands a bandage, a hug, a smile, caring for children all the while. Chugging along, the train goes fast, through green meadows and hills so vast. Yellow sun above, shining bright, birds in the trees taking flight. Choo-choo, hear the joyful sound, friends and heroes all around. Blue sky stretches, clouds so white, riding the train is pure delight. Little ones laugh, waving hands, learning about helpers in all the lands. Colors and shapes, jobs and more, adventures await at every door. Red fire truck zooms, sirens loud, firefighter jumps, feeling proud. Police car follows with flashing lights, keeping the town safe at nights. Doctor's bag is full of tools, teaching little ones, learning rules. Stay healthy, eat your food, wash your